Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how we can use ChatGPT to troubleshoot issues in the IT environment. Let's say you're working as a system administrator or server administrator and you have a lot of Windows servers or Citrix servers or Linux servers or SQL servers or any servers. And one day you are facing some issues with the Windows servers. Let's say you are facing some issues with Windows servers. Now, it could be some slowness issue or application issue, or it could be any other issue. Now, you would like to find out what is actually happening on that particular server. So let's consider this as Windows Server. The very first thing that you can do is log into Event Viewer. Okay, log into Event Viewer. So once you log into Event Viewer, so let's say you want to check the application logs first. Under Windows logs, you have application logs. Click on application logs. So let's consider this error message. Okay, error. It says a critical system process C Windows System 32 something failed. Okay, and this is the event ID. Event ID is 1015. So what you need to do is just remember the event ID 1015 or go to ChatGPT, type uh, event ID Windows event ID 1015. Let me hit enter and see how it goes. Okay, now it is giving some details about it. Okay, let's go up. It says if you are facing this issue, you might consider taking the following steps to troubleshoot it. It says check event details, update or reinstall, check permissions, use Windows installer cleanup utility, check for system file corruption, check for updates, event log analysis. So it is giving the most common solutions for this particular problem. Let's do one thing. Let's just type event ID 1015. Let's see how it goes. Okay, event ID 1015. Okay, now it is giving more details. It says event ID 1015 source Microsoft Windows per flip. Description, the timeout waiting for the performance data collection under so and so. So it is also giving the solutions here. Check system load, check performance counters, review SharePoint configuration, check for updates, analyze other event logs, consider expert help. Okay. Now, what you can do is, now go back to event viewer. So this is event viewer. Now, let's also check system logs, not only application logs. Let's check system logs. So these are some system logs. Okay, here it says event ID 7005. There is some error message and it says event ID 7005. Now what you can do is simply type event ID 7005 and see how it goes. Event ID 7005. So this is system log this time. Now let me hit enter. Okay, now it is giving a lot of details about this event ID. So it says event ID 7005, description, the service control manager tried to take a corrective action, restart the service after the unexpected. So now if you scroll down, it says when troubleshooting event ID 7005, consider the following steps. Review service name, check error message, check service logs, check event logs, investigate dependencies. If one of the services is down and if there is some kind of dependency to those services, check the dependency services as well. Check resource usage, check the CPU utilization, check memory utilization, check disk utilization, check all these things. And also you can also update or you can also reinstall the application, and it is also telling you to check security settings. So basically it is giving the most the most common reasons why you will come across this event ID on Windows servers. So you can troubleshoot accordingly. This is an example for Windows servers. Let's say if you're working on Citrix servers or SQL servers or SharePoint servers or any other servers, maybe you will have a different event ID. You will have different ID because you have Citrix server or SQL server. You will have that application related event ID. So what you can do is you can just copy that event ID and put it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to give the most common causes for these kind of issues. So in this way, what you can do is you can diagnose a lot of issues using ChatGPT when you come across issues in your IT environment. Okay, so I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.